Good afternoon, student. Welcome to today class. Today we will discuss instructional aids, and this video we will cover what are the meaning of audiovisual aids, types of audiovisual aids, and importance and disadvantage of audiovisual aids. Learning objective of our this video, a student will be able to comprehend the concept and meaning of the audiovisual aids. A student will be able to analyze the importance of audiovisual aids. A student will be able to list down the different types of audiovisual aids. A student will be able to use audiovisual aid according to the content. Audiovisual aids are device or technology, media or learning device are added device that help uh, the teacher to clarify, establish, correlate and coordinate accurate concepts, interpretation, and enable him to make learning more concrete, effective, interesting, uh, inspirational, and meaningful. Now we will discuss definition of audiovisual aids. Audiovisual aid is an instruction device which the message can be heard as well as seen. According to Bouton, audiovisual aids are those sensory object or image which initiate or stimulate and reinforce learning. According to Cater-Wiegood, audiovisual aids are those aids which help in completing the triangular process of learning, is that motivation, classification, and stimulation. According to Kinder J. James, audiovisual aids are any device which can be used to make the learning experience more concrete, more realistic, and more dynamic. Importance of audiovisual aids. Audiovisual aids use maximum sense, and whenever a student use maximum senses in learning, the concept will retain more in the memory. Based on maximize of teaching, helpful in process of attention, a good motivating force, clarified of the subject matter, save time and energy. Meet the individual difference requirement, solve the problem of and discipline, help in the development of scientific attitude in the student. So these are the advantage of audio visual aid. So always try to use audio visual aids according to your topic, according to the interest of the student. Principle of audio visual aids: they should be meaningful and purposeful, they should be simple, they should be accurate in every aspect, they should be cheap as far as possible, they should be improvised, they should be large enough to be the properly seen by the student. Characteristics of audiovisual aids. First characteristics is relevancy. The aid must be relevant to the topic which need to be improved. Very important standard value is the extent to which any aid is directly related to the understanding of the subject knowledge. A visual aid could be accurate to the best details, comprehensible and interesting, and yet to be of little value because of its irrelevancy. Accuracy. It is very important to make the audiovisual aids are exact and accurate, but it is difficult to make them as accurate as desired and expected. Interest audiovisual aids utilize make the learning procedure very easy, and its absence make it distinguish. Its present make the work a privilege, and its absence make its punishment or lack of source of knowledge. The main job of teacher is to create interest in the student for learning any subject taught. Uh, Comprehensibility in selecting and using audiovisual aid, we must try to choose those things as add which relate the new experience with past experience, and which are within the comprehension of the student who are to use it. Motivation audiovisual aids motivate and act as a catalyst for learner as they make the learning process in the classroom interesting, especially in activity oriented subject for effective learning. Now we will discuss classification of audiovisual aids. We can AU literary aids, uh, aids, visual aids, audio visual aid, traditional media, and aids through activity. Uh, Auditory aids, radio recording machine, mic, phonogram, megaphone, microphone, gramophone. Uh, uh, Visual aids. Visual aids can be classified in two categories: projected aids and non-projected aids. Non-projected audio visual aids are models, 3D materials, pictures, chart, panel graph, board, cartoon, map, photograph, flashcard, illustration, posters, printed material, and projected aids, slide projector, overhead projector, film projector, or opaque projector. Visual aids, example of visual aids are television, video, sound motor, picture. These are the example of audiovisual aids. Field trips, models, exhibition. These are the example of activity. Add through activity. Traditional media, puppets, drama, fox, folk song, or folk dance. These are the example of traditional media. Radio, the most common forum of public education and entertainment is radio. The radio mission serve as a vital agency of mass education. It, if used effectively, radio is a one-way communication device. It is authenticity, and radio emotionally impact on human minds. Advantage of radio: increasing scale of in listening, good for mass education, effective for distance education. A good radio lesson can be recorded for use at any appropriate time. Disadvantage of radio: the radio program may or may not be heard by students. The program may not seek attention as the person not having eye to eye contact. The person is not able to assess the ability of the student. These are the disadvantage of radio. A recording device which can record and reproduce sound are called recording device and can be used to uh, augment teaching in the classroom. Types of recording: uh, phonogram, recorder, disc recorder, uh, wire recording, and tape recording. Advantage of recording: recording are two-way communication. It eliminated the time adjustment problem of radio. Recording can be made to play at desire and teaching need. Uh, Recording offer a wide range of helpful material. The school can have its own recording. So these are the advantage of recording. Now we will discuss disadvantage of recording. May not be possible in every setting. Individual ability may not be evaluated by the teacher. Eye to eye contact is not there. It is difficult for teacher to control the classroom. It will seek less attention of the student. Tape recorder. A tape recorder is a portable electronic gadget to record, reproduce, erase, and record sound on a magnetic tape. Advantage of tape recorder: the tape recorder is commonly available aids which are economically to use as recording can be erased and the tape uh, tape reused. Being common household equipment, the tape recorder is easy to operate uh, as it has no only few control. Tape recording providing flexibility for the teacher to edit and evaluate material. On the spot, event can be recorded and played at an appropriate time for the classroom instruction. The tape recorder can make lesson enjoyable when used along with other visual aids. For teaching music, oral teaching, reading, poetry, and recitation, etc. No, now we will discuss non-projected aids. Graphs, it deplete numerical or quantitative relationship or static data are presented in the form of visual symbols. Exact specification depicts special quantitative data for analysis, comprehension, and interruption. Types of graphs: line graph, bar graph, simple bar graph, multiple graph, uh, component graph, pie graph, and pictorial graph. These are the types of graphs. Advantage of graph: help to show numerical statistics, help in explaining comparison among two data. Disadvantage of graphs: only some statistical data can be debuted. lesson is not effectively grasped by the student, any simple mistake will change the whole statics. So these are the disadvantage of graphs. Chart are the graphic teaching material defined in illustrative usual media for depicting a logical relationship between the ideas and uh, supporting facts. According kind of chart the are the graphic aids depending information on the form of tables, picture, graphic, and diagram. Hmm. Chart uh, is used by uh, most of the student in their uh, teaching program. Purpose of the chart: it is used to motivate the student. It serves as illustration, visual media. It depicts a logical relationship in between main idea and the supporting facts. It is useful in teaching situation where breakdown of the facts or statement is to be listed. It is useful to showing point of comparison, uh, uh, distinctions, and concrete between two or more things. It is useful in learning situation for depending organizational and hierarchical structure. It is used for presenting abstract idea in visual forms. Advantage of uh, chart are an effective tool for learning. They uh, they make interest in the student. They are prepared in very low cost. They are portable and available for use and reuse. They are easily prepared and maintained. They are used to explain, clarify, and simplify the complicated subject matter. They attract attention and reduce the amount of verbal explanation. Disadvantage of chart: mm, chart cannot be used for the large group. They can be used for uh, illiterate audience or uh, diagram. Diagram is a simplified drawing of an object, product, appliances, or procedure to explore fine points of the same. A diagram is made to show the relationship uh, uh, relation with the help of lines and symbols without the pictorial elements. Picture are the most commonly available graphic aids. Picture include photograph, painting, illustration, clipped for uh, periodical magazine, newspaper, newsletter, uh, uh, publicity material, and calendar, etc. A map is a graphic aid representation the uh, um, proportionally as the diagram as the surface of the earth, world, or part. A map is an accurate representation of a plan surface in the form of a diagram drawn to scales the detail of the boundaries of continent, countries, etc. Types of map: political maps, physical maps, real life maps, road maps, population map, water, weather maps, railway maps, or air maps. So these are the most commonly map we are using in our day-to-day life. Cartoon. A cartoon is a uh, meta mm, presentation of reality. It means learning more interesting and effective. It is drawn a strong appeal of the to the emotion. In short, a cartoon is a uh, figurative and suitable graphic aid. Advantage of cartoon. A cartoon can be effectively used initiative cartoon lesson. A cartoon can be used to motivate student to start a discussion. A cartoon can be used for making lesson lively and interesting. Disadvantage of cartoon. While using cartoon uh, and instruction aids, the LIA device throughout a choice. Cartoon difficulty, uh, as certain cartoon can be ensure the personal feeling of the student, especially the one which are posted and positive towards certain social group. Flashcard. Flashcard are a small card of generally 25 to 30 cm in size, which are shown for a few members before the class to send across the message or impact on an idea. The idea on the flashcard should be brief. Principally, for effective use, the group size can be range from 5 to 15. Uh, the message should be in brief. A brief introduction should be given. The number of cards should not be normally more than 15 to 20. Advantage of flashcard. A flashcard can be used to introduce and present topic. Flashcard can be used to apply information already gained by student to new situation. Flashcard can be used to review the topic. Use of small group, not over the 30 people. 10 to 12 cards for one talk can be used. It can be used either in individuality or in combination with other uh, uh, cards. Prepare a picture for each idea, which will give visual impact to the uh, idea. Poster. It is good substitute for first experience. It varies from a simple uh, printed card to the complicated and art, art uh, artist design. It should be always a part of combine com- campaigning. It will serve first to inspire the pupil, and lastly it will serve as a uh, reminder to the group. Advantage to make an instant appeal, to convey single idea or few ideas, to be comprehensive at a distance and mm, uh, uh, um, sufficiently clear, suitable for education presenting significant fact, showing certify uh, uh, messages or many other fact relating to the health. uh, Display board. First one is chalkboard. A chalkboard are black in slightly observing writing surface made for wood ply. Hardboard, cement ground glass, a plastic actor. Whiteboard, slate, generally used to figure writing on the uh, blackboard or chalkboard. At times could chalk are used for letter illustration while using the chalk. Casual chalk uh, should keep to, on it is essential for the every classroom. Every teacher should use the chalkboard. Purpose of chalkboard: to illustrate an idea by diagram and drawing, to give examination and test, as a substitute for still projection picture, to illustrate form of uh, and provide opportunity for nursing student to practice teaching. Advantage: it is a conventional, usual, and for group teaching. It is economical teaching aid, as it can be used over and again. The chalkboard can work as an available supplementary teaching aid. Uh, the chalkboard can work as a good visual aid for detail and revision. The chalkboard can be used for drawing in large illustration from the textbook. The chalkboard can be easily used for giving lesson notes to the student. Limitation of chalkboard: it makes student heavily dependent on the teacher. It make the lesson teacher paced. It does not care for the individual. It make the lesson d- dull routine. It make chalk powder to spread and in all the classes. Or bulletin board, it will be used for both informational and educational purpose. Types of bulletin board: planar board, magnetic board, fixed types, movable types, or folder types. These are the types of bulletin board. Purpose of bulletin board: effective communication of then intended message, promote creativity of the student and the teacher, use an effective educational media, can be used for large audience, attract attention of the student. Advantage of bulletin board: uh, bulletin board work as a good supplementation to normal classroom teaching. Bulletin board uh, um, ROUs student uh, uh, interest in the specific subject. Bulletin board display can be effectively used for follow-up of chalk board work. Bulletin board add color and live lines to the classroom as they have uh, decooperative value along with the educational value. Bulletin board display can be used to introduce a topic as well as to review it. Disadvantage of bulletin board cannot be used for all inclusive teaching. It has to be only a supplementary add at a time. The collection of relevant material for certain specific topic may be difficult. Arranging the display material is the challenging task for teacher as it requires arti- art- artist and creative personality uh, or creative potentiality in a student and teacher. uh, it not used properly may fail its purpose to convey the central theme. Panel board is a display board made of wood, uh, cardboard, or stray board covered with colored panel or woolen cloth. Display material like the uh, cutouts, picture, drawing, and light object back with the uh, rough surface like stand, paper, strip, panel strip, etc. Advantage of panel board. Panel board are inexpensive, easily made from local material. They are flexible, dynamic, and portable, conventional and reusable, uh, easily maintained and transported to remote area, prepared figure and can be reused in various other preparation. It is deal for showing sequence of event and reviewing lesson, hold attention of student and attractive of if properly used can be adopted for group participation. Disadvantage of flannel board require considerable advanced presentation, uh, artist ability is required to making homemade figures can be used for small group may create confusion if sequence of the picture is changed, not useful for abstract learning. Magnetic chalkboard is a framed iron sheet carrying uh, coating uh, in some dark color, generally black or green. Pamphlet paper can be folded into two or five. The matter will be printed either single side or the both side. Uh, leaf lets single side of paper folded to make full page of printed matter on a single side. Handouts uh, handout is a simple clear language with short sentence if needed. Graph should be drawn and labeled given the title and subtitle underline the in the handout. uh, Newspaper, the newspaper furnish many examples switches can be used to introduce lesson. Healthy message can be published in local language which can be reached to public easily. The information will be available in low cost, easy to reach and understand simple language. uh, the pupil may be trained to read and interrupt the content with the picture to enhance e.g. graphing. So newspaper is very useful for everyone. It is the cheapest mm, uh, cheapest aid. कलरफुल होता है न्यूज़पेपर, अट्रैक्टिव होता है, सिंपल और इंफॉर्मेटिव होता है, यूजफुल है, सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी है। एडवांटेज, they are highly economic, flexible, portable, can be reported in any language, stimulate interest on the part of the learner. It can be used for literate, it can not be preserved for a long time. So it is the disadvantage of um, reviewing feedback for all those he not possible. Models, a model is recognizable representation of real things, three-dimensional, height, weight, and depth are the left as a reality. This make the understanding of the things easy and better. Types of model, solid models, cut away, cross functional working models. Essential qualities of a model: accuracy, simplicity, utility, useful. These are the quality of a model. Function of a model, it is simplify reality, enable use to reduce or enlarge object to an observable size. It provide the correct concept of real object, um, promote creative interest among the pupil. Advantage of models: models are help in stimulating and a real situation, real a read situation. The size can be adjusted and mm, needed. Distance and time do not become a limitation. It gives the learner visual and oral stimuli which increase the learning experience. It can explain the concept, structure, and working of parts. It enable to have a correct concept of an object. Working model will uh, secure immediate attention and serve as motivation to learn. Disadvantage of model are quite costly, need more storage space. They are useful only for teaching small group, require skill and talent to prepare. These are the disadvantage of models. Objects, collection of the real thing before the instructional use flex to object on the other. These objects are mainly used in the lab. So the student can watch the and learn the real objects. Puppetry. Puppet is an education come entertainmenting aids in which puppets manipulate by performer as a person, term, a characters, and a story to be dispatched. A puppet is a manipulative tool desire as a character and perform a person term as uh, puppeteer. A good puppeteer has a blend his art and dramatization to produce the desired effect. A puppet show uh, combination or the performing and the fine arts. Exhibition, a department of the school or class put up their work for showing it to the pupil outside the school, such as a show is called exhibition. Mm, the piece of the work done by the student for exhibition is called exhibits. Museum is a building displaying a collection of historical relics, uh, 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 antiques, work of art, work of science, work of literature, and other artifacts of general interest. Museum can be useful both for public education and specific classroom instruction. Projected aid, OHP, it is project transparencies with brilliant screen image suitable for use in the Lightroom. The teacher face the class on the uses of OHP and class view projection. Parts of the overhead projector projection had lens and mirror, focus wheel, projection handle, glass plate, switch for cloning, fan, adjustment feet, metal box. These are the part of overhead projector. Slide projector. A slide is a small piece of transformant material on the which a single pictorial image or scene graphic image as has been photographed or reproducing. Otherwise the arrangement slide is proper sequence according to the proper topic is an important aspect of teaching. Thank you, student. Uh, we will cover our topic audio visual 8.